Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not working on iPhone or iPad in iOS 16 or iOS 15. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this notification issue. So guys, let's get started. So guys, solution 1 is restart your iPhone. So guys, restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this right. So after restarting your iPhone, open your lock screen. So guys, solution 2 is turn off do not disturb mode. So guys, if you have enabled do not disturb mode, so turn off this. So do not disturb mode is on here, so turn this off. So after turning off do not disturb mode, the next method is turn on always show previews. For this, tap on settings, tap on notifications, tap on show previews, and tap on always here. After enabling this, the next method is check your cellular and Wi-Fi connection. So guys, if you have turned off cellular or Wi-Fi, your notifications will not receive. So guys, the next method is reset all settings. For this, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings here. So it will not delete your data, it will only reset your settings to the default. So after resetting your phone, so guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your iPhone notification issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.